for the next activity. The ribbon cutting is the purpose of the ribbon cutting is to mark a new beginning. It's a symbolic way to announce to the world that you worked hard on something and you would like to celebrate the milestone. So, muna po representative, pwede po kayo po dito sa harap for us to proceed with the ribbon cutting. Proceed na po tayo dito sa harap ng Dr. Baez po for the ribbon cutting. So, may ay ilang lang eh.
Saan pa mo dyan?
May ay explain the purpose of ribbon cutting. So, the purpose of the ribbon cutting is to mark a new beginning. It's a symbolic way to announce to the world that you mark or you work hard on something and you would like to celebrate the milestone together po. So, please, our representative po will cut the both ends of the ribbon and get the ribbon po.
Both
So,
ends?
yes po. While they're ending, isa pa po sa video. And after you cut, rest of the warm up applause. And now, let us proceed to the conclusion part of the ceremony. And before we proceed, we would like to ask for an kindly apology for the inconvenience. Dahil po umulan po ng biglaan, sobrang maputan and sobrang nagulo po yung ceremony natin. Pero we hope that kahit po magulo, kahit po maputin is nag-enjoy po tayo sa ceremony po natin. So,